Hey guys, it's Jennifer from Adored Signature Hand-Tied Hair Extensions. So we have this email series going about how to attract and maintain clients. If you are a girl that's doing extensions and your client has curly hair and you don't know much about curly hair, we have taken the guesswork out of it. We have created a training for stylists that discusses 2 different cutting techniques, maintenance for curly extensions, my favorite color formulas for our Adored Signature Hand-Tied Hair Extensions, and troubleshooting. This is a big part of this training because there's a lot of troubleshooting that can go on with curly extensions. We have also gone a step further than that and created trainings for the consumer. These we found to be super important because I was getting DMs from consumers that were using oil to style their curly hair. This is like a huge no-no. It's not going to give them any hold. It's not going to do anything for their hair. Oil typically suffocates hair. Not many people know that, but it coats the hair and then the curls can't breathe or their natural texture can't breathe. And then it just kind of flops, right? And it doesn't come off easy. So we went a step further at Adored Signature and we created these styling videos for the consumer and even for you guys, the stylists. If you want to know more about styling the naturally curly extensions, the beach wave extensions, or the subtle body extensions, it's all there. There's 17 videos in the naturally curly and 14 videos in the other ones. It discusses brushing, combing, shampooing, conditioning, sectioning for success, combing through the tangles, styling the curls, everything that needs to be known about all these textures. We even discuss how to properly blow out textured hair and the importance of not touching the top of the weft with a round brush. What can happen? What can happen if you leave your hair half wet, half dry, and it tangles and it's in that state, and how it's always going to look crappy no matter what. Like how you need to go from start to finish with the extensions to have success and a strong foundation for any styling technique. It's all laid out in these videos for you and the consumer. So if you have a client that you know needs extra help or is struggling, you can just send them to our website and tell them to shop in the premium products. Tell them what texture their hair is, what they should be looking for, which video to select. It's all there. And guess what? The videos are always $50 off with promo code BFF because I do feel like a styling tutorial is a girl's best friend forever. If she can figure out how to do her hair and look amazing, she is going to love that video, love you, and love her hair. Post about you on social media. Draw clients into you. Like, it just doesn't get better than that, right? So that's why we created those videos. I hope that all of you can find success within the stylist training for curly extensions and the consumer training for styling naturally curly, beach wave, or subtle body, or stylists that are looking for upping their game with curly hair. I've been doing curly hair now forever because I have curly hair. And 12 years ago, I was certified in a method called WEDOD for curly hair. And from then on, I became a curly hair specialist within my salon with my clients. I do know a lot about curly hair and I love to share this information. So I hope you guys find them useful.